So in this video, I had a question the other day. If I got it, I'll put it there. And what it was really, he's just bought his Mini 5 Pro. He watched my video the other week where I did some tests. And one of them was the return to home, but in Cine mode. And I said at the time, I'm not going to fly my drone over the sea to try test that out. So what I've done, I've run the battery down to 63% at the moment. I'm going to do a couple of tests. The very first one, to give you reassurance, and I think nearly all the drones that I've had in the Mini series, I've done this test. And what that is, you can see in a mo. So the screen saves on. What I'm going to do, I've got the drone at 47. I'm just going to send it a little bit more because there's seagulls about. Okay, and they love little drones, apparently. So anyway, I'm going to send the drone off out. It's gone off out to sea. Okay. Right, so sent the drone out to sea. For some reason, your RC2 controller decides to turn itself off. So I'm going to do that. And what's supposed to happen, and it will happen, and I'm going to do it now. If I just turn it off, I'm just going to turn off my screensaver mode. Well, I'm just going to turn it off now so you can see. Right, so hopefully you can see that the green lights at the top have gone off. The screen's blanked out. Because it can happen, guys. One of the things that can happen is for some reason your RC2 blanks out, and I've had that happen to me before. But one of the safety features with the Mini 5 Pro and nearly all the DJI drones, it has a safety thing where it just kicks in return to home. The only thing is, I've got 100% faith in this, but you can't hear nothing yet. Now what you can, if you're panicking, you can turn on your controller again and gain access, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it off completely. And if anything, I can hear that sound, that reassuring sound that the drone's come back. Now hopefully it's going to land on the H that you can't see. Okay, it's coming back down. You can hear it, can't you? You can hear it. I don't think it's going to land on the H today. It's going to land on that friggin', there's a right rock there. Ah! Oh, look at that. Let's see if I can just get that down so you can see it. Yeah, there it is. Look at that, eh? That's just amazing, isn't it? And that's one of the safety factors about this drone and nearly all DJI drones. Whatever drone you got, if for some reason that just went off, then that drone will come back. Okay, the second part of this test is what I mentioned at the beginning. And what that is sending the drone out. I'm going to send it out normal, and we'll bring it back in. I'm going to record the height and, yeah, the height and the distance. That's it. So let's get rid of the noisy dog. I can't find my pen. The dog's noisy now. Fucking hell. Obviously wants to play with my drone. And you're thinking, what's he got this piece of paper for? I'll show you that in a mo. Okay, we're just sending the drone up to the usual height for the, so it records the precision landing, I should say. Okay, we're going to a little bit more. Watch the seagulls. Thankfully I haven't seen any lately at the moment. I've got another out there anyway. Right, okay, I'm not going to send it out too far. I just got it over. Right, so what we've done, I got it in normal mode. It's I'm going to record the height, which is at 228, and the distance is 3 5, 4. Right, so now, I mean, this is pretty normal, this bit. It's just return to home, because the main reason was when I checked this on the ChatGPT site, one said that if you got it in Cine mode, it will, because it's an intelligent battery, it will make its way back on the quickest route. I did the same question again, and it said a different, by saying it's going to come back a lot slower. So I thought in this test, we'll just see how fast it's going. Okay, so it's just going to come back down and land on there. I'm just keeping an eye on the battery power. I've got 47%. That's not bad, still on my first battery. So, that's on norm. Is it to land on the mats? Look at that, eh? Precision landing. Right. So guys, you just saw that. Now, what I tried to do is put the Cine mode on top of the normal mode footage, as you could see. And to be honest, didn't make any difference. Being it in Cine mode to obviously being in normal mode. So I suppose that's hopefully made you feel a bit more surer that if you're out flying out in the sea and you're not paying attention to your mode setting, especially if it was in Cine mode, and for some reason it had to come back, yeah, it's going to come back the quickest way, which is good to see. Bit of a difficult one that, because I tried to blend it, but you could see that the speed there wasn't a lot of difference in it really. So I've got something else for you now. So, one of the other things that could happen is when you're flying your drone out, as I mentioned, because this ain't one more test, I thought I'd whack it in because we've got 34 on the power. I'm going to send the drone out and we're just going to see what happens when it becomes low battery out in the sea. Because don't forget, this is intelligent battery. And this should happen on most of your newer drones. So, let's get the drone up in the air. Okay, I'm just going to send it up home point. That's another thing, guys, that you need to remember. Right, I've got it in Cine mode because I forgot to change the mode. Okay, I'm just sending it up to, they say, I believe it's 20 feet. Okay, so that's about right. Okay, well, I'm going to change it back to normal because we've done the Cine mode, back into normal. The drone's up there. Let's send it out to sea. Let's get it up a little bit higher. There's a little bit of wind, not a lot of wind. Obviously, another thing to check, guys, when you're going out flying, check your weather app, especially about winds, because winds, especially here in Spain, come the afternoon, they just pick up. So I'm just sending the drone half out. I've got 28 on the clock. Hopefully that 20 will change amber in a minute.
Battery level is low.
Okay.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
Right, I'm not going to do nothing. I'm just going to let the drone do it all itself. Now I could cancel that and push my luck, because sometimes people do that, don't they? They think, oh, there's a boat, I want to capture that boat. And then that's when panic stations ping, because the drone's warned you it wants to come back. But you can override that. But I would just personally, if the thing says low battery, just let the drone come back. And I don't fancy going out there, because I'll be honest, that sea, even though it looks lovely blue day, it's freezing. And I don't know anybody that's got a canoe. Anyway, you can see the green flue, or the is it the AR line? I think that's what we call it, the AR line. Yeah. We're still coming in, still got a bit of a distance. But am I panicking? No. I've done it so many times. Well, I've done it so many times where I've sent the drone out, it's hit low battery. I don't touch that cancel button. It comes back. And I would say, personally, 100% it'll come back. So anyway, you can see it coming in, low battery. Now, I don't know, was there a scenario? I mean, obviously if the wind was blowing against it, you could whack that into sports mode. I think looking on the battery there, I've still got 13%, which is still enough. I think it's when it gets down to 10%, that's when it panics a little bit. But anyway, it's coming in. Look at that, eh? Amazing, isn't it? In the old days, you just couldn't do that. But it's not looking good on the oh yeah, it's doing it, even though it's on low battery, and we got it down to, look at that, smack on. We got it on to 11%. Right, so that's off. So guys, did you find that interesting? Did you find that a bit nerve-wracking? If that was your brand new drone, your first drone, and that happened. But the reason I do these videos is make you feel a little bit more secure, especially when you bring out all that money. So anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.